Welcome back to Beck. Alright, today's guess a little bit of shenanigans. Trying to test, see if we can move an engine that's locked up, and then maybe move that car there, that Taurus. Yeah, stealing some parts off some other Neons for the race car that's season's coming up here in less than a month. So Chase is stealing some parts from that to try to make sure it runs a little better, and probably going to get into something else. I'm not sure right offhand. So that's what we got going on. Here we go. I fired this thing up and it cranked pretty slow like a dead battery, and I checked the alternator output. I mean, check out the belt right now. Pretty sure that's not helping it, but the alternator may be on its way out. Here's a picture of the voltage it was putting out at the battery. So that's not good. Anyway, let's see if we can use the tractor to try to move this locked up Caterpillar engine that I have not been having any luck trying to get rid of. That's what we're going to try to move, that engine right there. So I think the idea is to run a chain back across there. It'll catch these front parts, and hopefully I can get it to budge. Let's see, it's been sitting there for a little bit. Put it down in the dirt. But let's see. The tractor's going to have to be close, which is probably kind of good, because if, God forbid, the chain would break, it's not going to go very far. It's not going to whip up around me. That thing has kind of a lot of history, and it's been nothing but a pain to me, so I've been trying to get rid of it, but it's not going well. People back out when they say they're going to show up. It's locked up. I got nothing in it. We can get it on a trailer. I can take it to scrap. Frees up room for me, so I want to see if it'll at least move by trying to use this tractor to pull it. Jambrook. Probably gonna need the dozer. Be a different day. Pretty good one-handed. You tow something, you want to make sure you hook it to a good solid point, unless you really don't care about the vehicle, and you can just keep picking spots. Going to the bumper mount. I think that's going to be our choice today. All right, hook it up, take one. Hit it for some logs. I got it down here below the barn, so that'll work. It gets it out of the old graveyard and around the corner, so we can get to it. Someone steal sheet metal off of it for the race cars, and pretty much just going to scrap the rest of it. So that'll work where it's at. That's a good old tractor. I don't care. That's pretty much all I needed it to do today, so I'm going to go ahead and put that away.